अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है
Shanti, welcome to Vyakti Parivar. Today is day 19th. Become full of the treasure of happiness, have the fortune of happiness, and be happy and cheerful. Today's theme is Your Happiness Gives the Father's Introduction. Since you have become masters, children of the bestower of happiness, sorrow cannot come to you. The door to sorrow is now closed, and the door to heaven, that is, to happiness, has opened. You have taken a ticket for heaven. Always continue to dance in happiness. When you have happiness, others who see you will then become happy and come close to the Father. Your happiness will give the Father's introduction. Never become separated. Always remain a yogi, remain a yogi soul. Now we'll listen from Moini Didi.
ओम शांति। सभी खुश हैं?
Om Shanti. Is everybody happy? Are you all okay?
अच्छा, मौज में हैं?
Are you all in pleasure?
खुश रहना है।
We all have to stay
देखो
happy.
कितना सरल है, पर बाबा
So easy,
इस
isn't
तरह से
it?
चाहते हैं
But the way Baba wants it,
कि दुख कभी भी ना हो।
that we never experience sorrow.
तो जो बाबा तैयार कर रहे हैं हम बच्चों को, किस लिए कर रहे
So
हैं?
Baba is preparing us. Why
कि
is
ऐसी
he
बातें
preparing us?
आएंगी, ऐसी
Because he
घटनाएं
knows
होंगी,
these kind of
अचानक
situations
ऐसी
and problems
परिस्थितियां
will
आएंगी
come. All of a sudden,
जिसमें
situations will appear
अपने को संयम में
in
रखना
which
पड़ेगा।
we need to be in total control.
दुख ना हो उस समय पर,
We shouldn't take any sorrow at
आंखों
that
में आंसू
time.
ना आए,
There shouldn't be a tear in our
उसके
eyes.
लिए का भी अभ्यास की जरूरत है।
So even for that, we need to have a lot
क्योंकि
of
सुख लेना
practice
है
because we have to give
और
happiness
सुख लेना भी है।
and we also have to
कोई
take
भी दुख की
happiness.
बात को
In
कैसे
any
सामना
scene of
करें, सहन
sorrow,
करें।
how do we face it? How do
कई
we
बार
tolerate
संबंध
it?
व्यक्तिगत नहीं होता है तो परिवार से
Many
होता है,
times it might not be personal,
या
but it
जब
might be a
सुनते हैं
family
किसी देश
issue.
में किस तरह से
Or when you
छोटे छोटे
hear
बच्चे
when you
भूख से
hear
मर रहे हैं,
situations
मारे
in
जा रहे
different
हैं,
countries how
और
young
दुख ना
children
हो।
are dying because of hunger
मुझे
and
याद
we
है कि
don't take
मधुबन की
sorrow from
मीटिंग में
it. So I remember
ये
once in
बात
Madhuban there
निकली
was a
कि
meeting and this topic
इस
came
वर्ष
up.
के लिए क्या टॉपिक रखा जाए।
What should be the topic in this year?
तो था स्पिरिचुअल एम्पावरमेंट,
So it
आध्यात्मिक
was on spiritual
शक्ति बढ़ाने के,
empowerment
फॉर ए क्लीन एंड हेल्दी सोसाइटी। तो हैप्पी था,
for a clean, initially it
अब
was
कह
for a
रहे हैं कि
clean and a happy
हैप्पीनेस तो लोग
society.
आजकल जानते ही नहीं
So
है क्या है।
people start to say that nobody knows what
छोटी
happiness is
छोटी
these
बात से
days.
दुख
Even
होता
for
भी है
small things, they take in sorrow.
और दुख
There
देते
is
भी हैं,
sorrow. And they
छोटी छोटी
also
बात से
give
टूट
sorrow,
जाते
even
हैं।
for small things.
तो इसलिए अभ्यास, देखो
So it is
सहज है ना, मैं
important
हम
to have
सदा खुश रहें।
practice. So it's easy for us, isn't it, to always stay happy?
लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कई बार
But as I
किसी
said,
दूसरे का दुख भी सहन नहीं
when
होता
you
है।
see others' sorrow and you're not able
क्यों?
to tolerate it,
ऐसे करें,
why?
चलो एक दो मिनट ही होता है।
Maybe even if it's for a minute or
तो आप में
two,
से कौन कौन
why?
है जिसको
How
कभी
many
दुख
of
नहीं होता?
you are here who
है कोई
never
तो हाथ उठाओ।
feels sorrow? If any one of you are here like that,
अच्छा,
please raise your
तो
hands.
इसलिए
No?
हाँ, बाबा
Very
कहते हैं
good.
अभ्यास करो।
So Baba is saying,
नहीं
practice.
तो ऐसे सहज है ना, हम तो खुश हैं।
Otherwise, it's easy to just say, oh, we're happy.
तो बाबा कहता है
We're
बस,
happy.
हाँ, कभी
But
भी
Baba
तुम
says,
सुखदाता के बच्चे हो।
Baba is saying, since you're the children of the bestower of happiness,
मास्टर बन गए
you're a
हो
master, you have become a master.
तो दुख आ नहीं सकता है।
Sorrow cannot come to you.
मुझे याद है जब हमारी मामा गई,
I remember
बहुत
when Mama
छोटी उम्र की
left,
थी,
I was very young at that time.
तो 2 साल के करीब उनकी तबीयत नीचे ऊपर
For
चलती थी।
2 years, there was fluctuation
तो
in her
अंत में
health. And in the
वो
end,
मधुबन में ही आकर के रही, शांतिवन में।
she came back to
कई बार
Madhuban
मुझे
and
दुख
she
लगता था
stayed
जब
in Panda Bhavan.
तो पता था कि जाना है, गई।
We knew that she's going to leave, and
बाबा
she
ने
left.
काफी शिव बाबा से आर्ग्यू
Brahma
किया कि
Baba
ये कैसे पॉसिबल है
argued a lot
कि
with
भाई
Shiv
आप
Baba. How
बाबा
is
की
this
आयु तो बड़ी है
possible?
ना,
Because
तो
Brahma
इतनी
Baba
बड़ी आयु
was
में
older
इतने सबकी संभाल करना,
and
तो
he had to
मामा
take care of
बहुत
so many people.
यज्ञ के लिए सपोर्ट थी।
Mama was a huge support
तो
for him, for us.
कोई भी बातें होती थी बहुत अच्छी तरह
Anything
समझा के,
happened, she would
बहुत
talk
ठीक
to us
रहती
in a
थी।
very well, and she would
लेकिन
console us.
बहुत जल्दी फिर बाबा ने
But in very fast, then Baba
बात को कि पार्ट है, ऐसे करते
Baba
कुछ
said it is her
अच्छी पॉइंट्स
part.
दी।
He gave us
तो
very
फिर
nice
खुद को बाबा
points.
ने एकदम स्थिर किया
First, he stabilized himself,
और फिर औरों को भी स्थिर किया।
and then he
तो
stabilized
दूसरों को भी
others.
मदद की जरूरत रहती है, इसलिए
So
बाबा
others
कहते हैं
also
दुख तो आ नहीं
need
सकता,
support. So that's why Baba is saying
दुख का
the
दरवाजा बंद
door to
करो,
sorrow is now closed, and the
हाँ जी
door to
प्रभु,
heaven.
दुख का
So Didi is
दरवाजा,
saying now close the door
स्वर्ग
to
अर्थात
sorrow,
सुख का दरवाजा खुल गया।
and the door to heaven, that is to happiness, has
स्वर्ग की टिकट
opened.
तो ले ली है ना,
You have
तो
taken a ticket
सदा
for
खुशी
heaven.
में
Always
नाचते
continue
रहो।
to dance in happiness.
खुशी होगी
When you
तो
have
दूसरे भी
happiness,
आपको देखकर खुश
others
होंगे
who see you will then become happy and
और
come
बाप की
close to the
सुइयां
Father.
आएंगे। एक बहुत बड़ा साधु था, बड़ा
There
आश्रम,
was a very great
तो एक बार
saint, and he had a
एग्जीबिशन
big
हुआ तो
ashram,
पहुंचे थोड़ा
and it was a
रात
huge
को बहुत,
exhibition, and we reached
तो
there
मुझे
late in the
ब्रह्मा
night.
कुमारी बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं
So he
क्योंकि
said, I
वो
really
हमेशा
like Brahma Kumaris because they always
दूसरे
bring
जो
good
आते हैं वो
news.
हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ
Whoever else come, they
दर्द
always
और
give
दर्द
them,
लाते ही हैं
they
कि नए
cry, they
स्वर्ग
have their
आने
own.
वाला है,
And
नई
these
दुनिया
people
जो
say,
है
oh, the new
स्वर्ग
world
में
is
है,
coming, heaven
तो
is
अच्छी
coming,
अच्छी
God has come.
बातें
They
होती
always
हैं
give
सबको।
us good news.
तो बाबा कहते हैं
So
आपको
Baba is
देखकर
saying,
दूसरे भी खुश होंगे
when you have happiness, others who
और
see
बाप के
you
भी
will then
समीप
become happy
आएंगे।
and come
आपकी
close to the
खुशी
Father.
बाप का
Your
परिचय देगी,
happiness will give the Father's introduction.
आपकी खुशी
Your
बाप का
happiness will
परिचय
give
देगी।
the Father's
कभी भी
introduction.
वियोग में
Never
नहीं आना,
become separated. Never become
सदा योगी
separated.
रहना।
Always
कैसे योगी
remain a
होते हैं,
yogi soul. One is
योगी होते
cooperative
हैं,
soul,
वियोगी
and
होते
the
हैं।
other is a yogi soul. Another
वियोगी
is a
दुख
viyogi,
होता
is,
है
who are in
तो
sorrow,
सेपरेशन जैसे हो
upset.
जाती है।
It's as if they are separated. Viyogi means
बाबा के
separated.
पास हम लोग गए
We all came to Baba
मधुबन में,
in Madhuban.
हॉल में बैठे थे सभी
We all were seated in
खोली
the
खोली
hall in
बातें हैं,
Madhuban. And the
वो
thought
हमको
was like, who is
पहचान
going
कर
to
लिया।
distribute Toli?
वो
And
टोली
she raised
वाला
your
है जो
hands.
कभी भी रोएगा नहीं।
So that Baba said, only the one who has never
आशीष
cried or will never
हमारी
cry
बहनों को
will
संभाल के आते हैं,
distribute the Toli. And
राइट।
women, the sisters, usually cry very easily and
तो
very
मैंने हाथ
fast.
उठाया कि आगे से
So I
नहीं,
raised the hand.
तो
So
अपने
from
को
moving
देखते ही
forward,
बार
I
बार
will
याद
not
दिलाते रहते थे सारी
have a
लाइफ
tear in my eye.
कि
So
हमने बाबा को
that,
बोला है
so I keep remembering that
कि
promise that I
कभी
told
कभी
Baba that
रोएंगे
I will
नहीं,
not take up sorrow and
किसी एक के
I'll
जीवन
not
में
cry in sorrow. So everyone
ये
in your
संकल्प
life
करो
have a determined
कि
thought,
बाबा कहते
create
हैं
a
दुख को
determined
दरवाजा
thought
बंद।
that you close the door to happiness, sorrow.
फिर क्या होता है कि दुनिया
Then
में
what will happen
कोई दुख
in
की
the
बात है और
world?
आपको दुख नहीं हो रहा,
Um,
आप नहीं रो रहे, वो
when there
आपको
is a
दर्द
scene of
दे रहे
sorrow
हैं,
in the world and they look at you and you're not taking up sorrow from there, from that
सिंपैथी है,
scene, one is sympathy
परंतु दुख,
when you
क्योंकि
sympathize
दूसरे
with
को
them,
मदद करने के
but
लिए,
not to take in sorrow. But
दूसरे
if
को
you have to
शक्ति देने
help
के
the
लिए,
other one, to give
दूसरे को
power to the
सहारा देने
other,
के लिए,
to give
आपको तो दुख
support to the
लगेगा।
other one, we need to
तो
be
ये तो नहीं
strong.
उस समय
It's
हंसेंगे
not
गाएंगे,
that it's not that you will
लेकिन वो
laugh
अपनी
and dance
अवस्था
at that time,
स्थिर
but
रहे,
your
कंट्रोल में
stage should be stable, grounded.
समीप रहे,
You should be close to Baba.
तो दूसरे को शक्ति
So
मिलती है।
the others will
ओम
receive power. अच्छा, ओम शांति।
शांति। अव्यक्त मूल्य रिविजन 1969 से
Om
पदम
Shanti, Avyakt Murli revision from 1969, multi-million times fortune and blessings.
अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है 25
This is a Murli from May 25th, 1973. The plan of the future is the title. Unless you become these two images, you will not be able to transform the whole world in a short time. Just as you prepare your speech and the physical stage in the same way, in order to put these plans into a practical form, you also have to prepare your internal stage. Just as you prepare the stage whilst thinking of a variety of points, in the same way, in order to grant a vision of the future through your features, you have to grant a vision of the divine activities of the Father, His acts and His virtues through the main senses on your face. You have to prepare these various points. You should be able to take someone beyond with a glance through the eyes, that is, through your vision. You should be able to transform the vision, attitude, consciousness, and actions of others. Give everyone a clear vision of your own form and the form of themselves. With a spiritual smile on your lips, give the experience of imperishable happiness. Through your whole face, grant them a vision of the present elevated position and the future position. With your elevated thoughts, draw away that flood of wasteful and sinful thoughts of other souls. And with your power, draw them away in a short time. Transform the wasteful thoughts into powerful thoughts. Through your one term, give desperate souls the experience of reaching their goal and the destination of their journey. What is that one term? Simply by saying Shiv Baba, they should be able to find their goal and destination. Through your every action, that is, every divine activity. And a divine activity is not just of the Father, but the elevated actions of every elevated soul are divine activities. Ordinary actions are not called divine activities. So, through the divine activity of every elevated action, reveal the image of the Father. Now, only when you give such a practical, spiritual speech will you be able to transform the world in a short time. For this, you also need a stage. The rest of the Murli will be shared tomorrow. Om Shanti.
जब ऐसी रूहानी प्रैक्टिकल स्पीच करने में विश्व का परिवर्तन करेंगे, इसके लिए स्टेज भी चाहिए। अच्छा, आगे की मूली कल सुनेंगे। ओम शांति।